Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome to our space of exploration and understanding. Today, we delve into the heart of Psalm 103, 2 from the Holy Bible, KJV. Settle in as we begin our journey of discovery and reflection. We start with the verse itself, Psalm 103, 2, which reads, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits." This simple yet powerful verse is a reminder, an exhortation, and a prayer all rolled into one. It calls us to bless the Lord with all that is within us, with every fiber of our being, with our very soul. It implores us not to forget all the benefits, all the blessings, all the graces that the Lord has generously showered upon us. This verse invites us to remember and appreciate the countless blessings bestowed upon us by the Lord. It's a call to gratitude, to mindfulness, and to living a life of thanksgiving. To understand this verse fully, we must dissect it, word by word. Our journey starts with "Bless the Lord, O my soul." Here, the psalmist is making an earnest appeal to his own soul, his own self, to bless the Lord. Now, what does it mean to bless the Lord? It's more than just saying words of adoration. Blessing the Lord is about recognizing his sovereignty, his goodness, and his mercy. It's about acknowledging that every breath we take, every beat of our heart, is by his grace. When we bless the Lord, we are expressing our deepest gratitude, our deepest love for our Creator. Now let's move on to the next part of the verse. Forget not all his benefits. Here the psalmist is reminding us not to forget all the blessings and gifts we receive from God. It's so easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, to focus on our problems, our struggles, and forget the many blessings we receive each and every day. We often take for granted the air we breathe, the food we eat, the love of our family and friends. But these are all gifts from God, benefits that we should never forget. In essence, this verse is a call to mindfulness. It's a call to pause, to reflect, and to appreciate. It's about not just rushing through life, but taking the time to stop and thank God for all the blessings he has bestowed upon us. The psalmist is not just speaking to his soul, but to ours as well. He is urging us to practice gratitude, to make it a habit, a ritual, and not just in times of joy and abundance, but also in times of hardship and scarcity. For God's blessings are not just in the sunshine, but also in the rain. Thus, Psalm 103, 2 is a poignant reminder of our duty to be grateful and appreciative of God's blessings. It reminds us that gratitude is not just an emotion, but a choice, an act of worship, a way of life. Now, let's delve deeper into the importance of gratitude, a central theme of this verse. Gratitude, as simple as it may seem, holds a profound place in the Christian faith. It is not merely an emotion or a response to the good things we receive. It is an attitude, a way of life that helps us recognize and appreciate the countless blessings that God bestows upon us every day. In fact, the Bible is replete with verses encouraging us to be grateful. In Thessalonians, we are told to give thanks in all circumstances, while in Psalms, we are urged to enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. These teachings remind us that gratitude is not a fair-weather friend, to be called upon only in times of prosperity. Instead, it is a steadfast companion, helping us maintain a positive perspective even in the face of adversity. Acknowledging God's blessings with a heart full of gratitude can lead to a more fulfilling and content life. It shifts our focus from what we lack to the abundance that we have. It helps us to see the good in every situation, to find joy in the ordinary, to appreciate the beauty in the mundane. It whispers to us that even in the darkest night, the stars still shine. Moreover, gratitude strengthens our relationship with God. It makes us more aware of his presence in our lives and helps us connect with him on a deeper level. When we thank God for his blessings, we are essentially acknowledging his love, his grace, and his benevolence. This acknowledgement fosters a sense of humility within us, making us realize that we are not the sole architects of our success, but rather, we are recipients of divine favor. Furthermore, gratitude has the power to transform our lives. It can turn routine jobs into joy, change ordinary opportunities into blessings, and convert simple moments into memories. It cultivates a sense of contentment, wards off feelings of envy and resentment, and nurtures a spirit of generosity. It reminds us that every good gift and every perfect gift is from above. In the same vein, gratitude paves the way for more blessings. As we express our thankfulness to God, we open ourselves up to receive more of his goodness. we create a positive cycle of blessing and gratitude, where each one feeds the other. In essence, gratitude is a pathway that leads us closer to God. It is a key that unlocks the door to a heart filled with joy, contentment, and peace. It is a lens that allows us to see God's hand in everything around us, helping us to live a life of fulfillment and purpose. So let's strive to cultivate this attitude of gratitude, not just as a response to our blessings, but also as a daily practice. Let's make it a habit to count our blessings, to acknowledge God's goodness, and to express our thankfulness to Him. For in doing so, we not only enrich our own lives, but also bring glory to His name. In essence, gratitude is a pathway that leads us closer to God. Having understood the verse, the question now arises: how can we apply this in our daily lives? This is where the rubber meets the road, where we take the profound teachings of the psalm and weave them into the fabric of our everyday existence. The answer is deceptively simple, yet profoundly transformative. It's about cultivating an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude, as outlined in Psalm 103:2, is a powerful practice that can profoundly impact our lives. But how can we make it a part of our daily routine? One practical way is to maintain a gratitude journal. This is a space where you can record your blessings, no matter how big or small. It could be the warmth of the sun on your face, a kind word from a stranger, or the very breath in your lungs. By writing them down, we become more aware of God's blessings, and this awareness can lead to a deeper appreciation of His divine providence. Another practical way to practice gratitude is to set aside a few minutes each day to reflect on God's blessings. This could be done in the morning when you wake up or at night before you go to sleep. During this time, allow yourself to fully experience the abundance of God's love and mercy. Remember, it's not just about acknowledging these blessings, but also about expressing our thankfulness to God for them. These practices might seem small, but they can create a ripple effect in our lives. They can help us focus on the positive, reduce stress, and foster a deeper connection with God. Moreover, they can also cultivate a heart that is more receptive to God's blessings, making us more inclined to bless others in return. So, let's make gratitude a part of our daily lives. Let's remember to bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all His benefits. After all, we are not just receivers of God's blessings, but also channels through which His love and grace can flow to others. By consciously practicing gratitude, we can live out the teachings of Psalm 103:2. As we draw this session to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the powerful message of Psalm 103:2. We've journeyed through the depth of this verse, dissecting its meaning, understanding its significance, and learning how to apply it in our day-to-day lives. The verse, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all His benefits," serves as a reminder to be grateful and to remember the many blessings we've received from our Creator. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the blessings that surround us each day. The air we breathe, the ability to see, hear, feel, and taste. These are all gifts from above. This verse reminds us to pause, to appreciate, and to acknowledge these blessings. In our exploration, we've delved into the importance of gratitude. It's more than just a polite gesture or a momentary feeling of thankfulness. It's a mindset, a way of life. When we live with an attitude of gratitude, we cultivate a heart that is more receptive to recognizing God's blessings. We also discussed how to apply this verse in our daily lives. It's not just about acknowledging our blessings, but also about living our lives in a way that reflects our gratitude. This could be through acts of kindness, through our prayers, or simply by expressing our love for God and His creations. Let's make a conscious effort to remember the benefits we've received from God, not just today, but every single day. Let's bless the Lord with all our soul and forget not His benefits. In conclusion, Psalm 103:2 serves as a beautiful reminder to us all. It speaks to our hearts, urging us to remember, to be grateful, and to bless the Lord for all His benefits. If you have found value in this exploration, and you wish for more of such enlightening content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. May God be with you. God bless.